Good morning. In this video, I will guide you how you can copy an order confirmation or sales order on TranZact. So earlier you have created an order confirmation and you wish to create same order confirmation for any another buyer. How you can do it? Let's go to our transaction module for this. In your transaction module, please check I have created one of the OC earlier. So this is not dispatched, this is dispatched. So I wish to create a new OC with same detail. I will open this OC by clicking on this. Once this OC will get open, right hand side top corner you will see an option of other action. Click on this. Here you will get an option of copy. Once you will select the copy option, you need to select the buyer company name. So Brilliant Engineering Private Limited is the company to whom I am sending this OC again. I don't wish to create a new OC. So select the buyer company name, Brilliant Engineering. Now check all the details are fetched from my previous OC. I will put the transaction title here, cash pack order. I will put the delivery dispatch option, that is of 30th of November. I will select the tax here. Now this OC is complete. It will be same replica of my previous OC. I can save and send or save as draft. I will save and send this OC, and this particular OC is created by using my copy function. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.